Let me ask y'all a question. What feels illegal but actually isn't? I'll start with this. The fact that you can actually steal your competitors' sales on Amazon and find out where they're getting their sales from keywords. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kevin Pack here. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how you can actually get keywords to make more sales. How do you do keyword research? Because keywords are a big thing on Amazon when you're selling on Amazon. Keywords are simply what customers search in on Amazon to find a product they want to buy. And it's your duty to be able to show your product in front of that keyword. But the question is, how do we know which keywords to target or to be in front of? And this is where I'm going to show you this feeling illegal thing, but actually isn't. And we're gonna be looking at our competitors to see exactly what they do, and we're gonna copy that to the T. So let's do this. All right, guys, so here we are on my computer right now. So one of the first couple of things that you're gonna need, number one, you're gonna need to be on Amazon. Number two, you're gonna need a software program called Helium 10. Link in the description for discounts on that. I use this software day in, day out on my Amazon business. It is crucial, and it's gonna help me and help you guys with your businesses. So be sure to check that out. So you're gonna need Helium 10 Platinum. Be sure to check that out because we're gonna be using a specific tool called Cerebro, right? And with Helium 10, you'll get it integrated as a Chrome extension as well on Amazon. So you'll see exactly everything that I'm using is from Helium 10, right? So we're on this product. It's called a home sign with a wreath. Really cool home decor product. And we're gonna be going first on our Helium 10 X-ray. This just basically allows me to see, okay, like how many sales people are making per month and what the review count is and everything, right? So when I see this product, what you wanna do is kind of look at who are the best sellers, right? Our whole goal is to be in line with the best sellers and take some of their sales. We want to know what they're doing right and we want to mimic that, right? So you see all these people here doing $20,000 per month. That's who I want to use as my guide, all right? So make sure they're all the same product, of course. Make sure the same, no problem there. And what you can do from this X-Ray Chrome extension right here is you can click and select these products. And we want to go for products that are doing well. We don't want to select and look the keywords of products that aren't doing well. So we want to go for the top dogs. And what you'll see here, it says run keyword research. We're going to click on that real quick. It's going to pull us up to another page. This is going to be your Helium 10 web app. And this is going to bring us towards our Cerebro. So you'll see here, it takes our three competitors. It's pulling up the keywords and it's going to show us what keywords they are ranking for. All right, so we have our results right here. We have about 11,000 keywords that in total that all of these products are ranking for. And we want to be selective about what we see because we don't want to rank or spend money on keywords that don't even get searches in the first place, right? We want to know what people are commonly searching for and we want to be shown in front of those keywords. So what I want to do is under search volume here, I want to put a minimum number. And personally for me, anything like above like 200 searches, 500 searches per month is going to be good for me. So I'm just going to put like 500 today, right? And the position rank, we want to make sure that these people, these sellers that we're competing against are being ranked for that keyword with at least 500 searches because otherwise we don't want to go for keywords that they aren't even making money for, right? They might be on page 3, but that doesn't mean like that's where they're making their sales from. Typically, they're making their sales from page 1. So we want to see the keywords that they're on page 1 for. So I'm just going to put 1 through 12, which is about the first page on mobile. We want the match type to be organic because that's where we want to see ourselves organically ranked as well. We don't want to see that they're spending money for that keyword. And we're gonna hit apply. Boom. And we got 24 keywords that fall under our criteria. And we're gonna organize this from high to low search volume. So we've got a lot of different keywords here. These are all the keywords that our competitors are using and paying money for PPC for. They're organically ranking for it. To be able to make the sales that they're making, to making that $30,000. So we want to be able to take a piece of that pie. We want to take a bunch of their sales, right? We're probably not gonna take all their sales, but we can take some of that and maybe, you know, if we're taking, let's say 10% of each of our competitors' sales right there, you know, we could be making $6,000 to $9,000 in revenue with our one product, right? With 30% profit margins, that's gonna be a good amount of money that you can make passively. Okay, so we want to take these keywords right here. What do we do with these keywords? Number one, we want to make sure that they're all over our listing. So we want to make sure it's in the title, in the bullet points, descriptions, or backend, everything within your listing. So that way we can be indexed it for these keywords. And then Amazon recognizes like, okay, this product is tied to this home sign, right? That's what we want to do. The next thing is we want to take these keywords and put them into our PPC campaigns, all right? So I have a specific strategy about how I do my PPC campaigns. So you guys can check out my course and mentorship down below on how I do these things. But simply what you're gonna do is take these and put them into campaigns. You know, your broad campaign, exact phrase, whatever, you're gonna throw those in your campaigns, and then you're gonna launch your product with that. All right. And that's basically the cool thing about selling on Amazon is there is a, step-by-step process. There is a guideline that you could follow based off of the past of what other people are doing. What are people doing right? What are ways you could follow that? Of course, now here's a key thing. You can't just do this with just any product, right? You want to be able to make sure you have a unique selling point about your product first, because if your product looks like everyone else's, very likely no one's going to buy it because they already have people who have good reviews already that are doing well. So make sure you have a unique selling point. Give your customers a reason to buy yours and give them a happy experience. So make sure you have a unique selling point first before you even try this method out. That's the only way this method is going to work, is if you can, clearly show yourself as a different product that's better, right? So use this as your guide, your stepping stone to be able to know how you're gonna make sales on Amazon in the first place. It's about targeting these keywords right here. And this is basically like the main way I do my keyword research is using Helium 10 Cerebro. Any reverse ASIN type of tool will work, but that's exactly what Cerebro is looking at what your competitors are using, what works for them, all right? So I hope this video was very, very informative for you guys, and I hope you guys liked it. Let me bring some love on here. Oogie, come here, boy. Up here, come here, come on. Good boy, look at that. There's a big boy. Say thank you for liking the video. Thank you for liking the video. Okay, you're good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money and take care of yourselves. Peace.